Is Acorns expensive compared to other investment apps? That's the question every new investor should be asking, especially when you're just starting out and every dollar counts. Acorns is famous for its roundup feature, the idea of automatically investing your spare change. It's brilliant for building the habit of investing without feeling the pinch. But here's the thing, Acorns operates on a flat monthly subscription fee, and that's where the cost conversation gets complicated. Let's look at the numbers. Acorns typically offers tiered plans, starting around $3 to $6 a month for their base and mid-level accounts, which include a taxable investment account, a retirement account, and banking features. Now, how does this stack up against the competition? Most other popular robo-advisors, like Betterment or Wealthfront, or even the robo-features from companies like Fidelity Go, charge a fee based on a percentage of your assets under management, or AUM. This often hovers around $0.25% per year. This percentage-based model means if you have a small balance, say, under a couple $1,000s, your fee is practically negligible. For instance, $0.25% on a $500 balance is just $1.25 per year. But let's go back to Acorns. That fixed minimum fee of $3 to $6 a month? That's $36 to $72 per year. Here's the key takeaway. For small portfolios, Acorns is disproportionately expensive. If you have just $500 invested, a $36 annual fee works out to a whopping $7.2% fee. Compare that to the less than 1% charged by the percentage-based apps. This high percentage can seriously eat into your returns when you're in the early stages of compounding. However, the tables turn as your portfolio grows. Once your balance hits a certain point, usually around $17,000 or more for that base Acorns plan, the fixed monthly fee becomes cheaper than a $0.25% AUM fee. For larger portfolios, Acorns becomes the more cost-effective choice. So, who is Acorns really for? It's fantastic for the absolute beginner who prioritizes the simple, automatic roundup feature to build their savings habit, even if it costs a little more up front. But, if you're focused purely on the lowest fee for a small balance, or if you want features like tax loss harvesting offered by some percentage-based competitors, you might find other apps are a better fit. Ultimately, whether Acorns is expensive depends entirely on the size of your portfolio and what features you value most. It's a great on-ramp to investing, but be aware that its flat fee is a higher percentage cost for those starting with just a few $100s. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.